या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
তুমি যাবো
আশ্বিরের শারদ প্রাতে বেজে উঠেছে আলোকমঞ্জিত ধরণীর বহিরাকাশে অন্তরিত মেঘমালা প্রকৃতির অন্তরাকাশে জাগরিত জ্যোতির্ময়ী জগন্মাতার আগমন বার্তা আনন্দময়ী মহামায়ার পদধ্বনি অসীম ছন্দে বেজে উঠে রূপলোক ও রসলোকে আনে নবভাব মাধুরীর সঞ্জীবন। তাই আনন্দিতা শ্যামণী মাতৃকার চিন্ময়ীকে মৃন্ময়ীতে আবাহন।
So happy Durga Pujo to everybody. Shubho Durga Pujo. Happy Durga Pujo. So next Durga mantras. Durga Devi mantra. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Ma Rupena Samstita. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धि रूपेण संस्थिता या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। एंड श्री दुर्गा वंदना सर्वमंगल मंगल्ये शिवे सर्वात्र साधिके शरण्य त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। So now, happy Durga Puja. May Ma Durga protects our family from the evil and empowering bad powers and empower us with the light of knowledge and truth. Happy Durga Puja. So, a small GIF. So, happy Durga Puja once again. দুর্গে দুর্গতি নাশিনী। সো শারদীয়ার প্রীতীয় শুভেচ্ছা এবং অভিনন্দন। সো হ্যাপি নবরাত্রি। When is Mahalaya 2020? This year Mahalaya will begin from 17th September following the end of Shraddh or Pitru Poksha, a 16-day period when Hindus pay homage to their ancestors. Mahalaya or Shubha Mahalaya is celebrated. Mahalaya is an auspicious occasion when goddesses Durga along with her children is believed to have descended to her maternal home on earth from Mount Kailash. It is a famous day among every Bengali who religiously wakes up at 4 a.m. to listen to the radio recital of mantras called Mahisasura Mardini by Birendra Krishna Bhadra. The mantras are assumed to invoke the goddess and the religious hymns are picked up from the Hindu religious scripture Devi Mahatmyam or the glory of the goddess. Jago Tumi Jago, meaning awaken, O goddess, is one of the most common hymns. The occasion also marks the beginning of another popular festival called Durga Puja. Happy Durga Puja. What is Durga Puja all about? Durga Puja, which is the major festival of Hinduism, traditionally held for 10 days in the month of Ashvina, September to October, the 7th month of the Hindu calendar, and particularly celebrated in Bengal, Assam, and other eastern Indian states. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of the goddess Durga over the demon king Mahisasura. It begins on the same day as Navratri, a 9-night festival celebrating the divine feminine. Durga Puja's first day is Mahalaya, which heralds the advent of the goddess. Celebrations and worship begin on Shashti, the sixth day. So, now let us know more about Durga Puja. Virendra Krishna Bhadra or radio. Durga Puja's first day is Mahalaya, which heralds the advent of the goddess. Celebrations and worship begin on Shashti. During the following 3 days, the goddess is worshipped in her various forms as Durga, Lokhi, and Saraswati. The celebrations end with Vijayadashami, the 10th day of the victory, when amid loud chants and drum beats, idols are carried in huge processions to local rivers where they are immersed. That custom is symbolic of the departure of the deity to her home and to her husband Shiva in the Himalayas. So now this custom is symbolizing that Ma Durga will leave us, and then after her immersion she will be getting back to her home and where her husband Shiva stays, that is the Maha Himalayas. Images of the goddess astride a lion attacking the demon king Mahisasura are placed at various pandals, elaborately decorated bamboo structures and galleries and temples. The making of idols and their ideology. The artisans start by making a bamboo frame for the idol called a katamo. I hope you can see the image. They bind straw over it to give it structure and then apply clay on top to give its final shape. After dyeing the statue itself for a few days, they paint and decorate it. The drying process can be a problem though because the work takes place during the monsoon season when the weather is damp and wet. Authentic classic idols are decorated with dakeshaj, a type of silver foil. So there are many lesser known artisans who are experimental in nature. However, there are few renowned names associated with traditional idols that inspire deep devotion. One such person was the late Lamesh Chandrapal. His sons have taken over his work at Shilpo Kendra, the studio he established at Ak Kumotuli Street. The oldest idol maker, Shomil Pal, is almost 75 and quite famous too. Making of pandals. Durga Puja Pandal with theatre performances, Matri Mandir, Enclave, Delhi, 2014. So pandal hopping, some renowned pandals, Maddox Square, Suruchi Shango, Nolin Sarkar Street, and Bagbazar Sarvajanin. A pandal in India and neighboring countries is a fabricated structure, either temporary or permanent, that is used at many places, such as either outside a building or in an open area. During Durga Puja, people used to roam around from pandal to pandal to get a glance of Devi Durga. Pandals are one of the main attractions for the visitors. Beautifully decorated puja mandap or pandals are made of many different materials. Pandals can be based on any topic or social issues. Our Bengal is full of heritage holders like an art designer who created a handmade pandal using his drawings and by making handmade flowers. He made it to focus on social issues like water wastage, shortage of greenery. He proved that Bengal is truly a land of diversity in knowledge as well as art. My personally favorite and most famous idol of Durga Ma in Bagbazar. What is Dhunuchi Nach in Durga Puja? This devotional dance is performed using holding a Dhunuchi, an earthen pot containing burning coconut husk and fragrant Dhunu. Durga Puja evenings are incomplete if men and women, boys and girls don't take the floor to dance to the rhythmic beats of dhak and bells, holding earthen pots billowing a fragrant smoke. The impromptu dance is called Dhunuchi Nach, a prominent custom and one of the most awaited activities during the evening of Durga Aarti every day. Dhunuchi Nach, Bengal. When it comes to Bengali traditional dresses, we reimagine ourselves in a knee-length kurta or a smashing Punjabi with even jeans. New Market presents with such funky options to try out this Durga Puja 2020. Redefine your puja look with Bengali sherwanis, dhotis, and even elegant Bengali leather sandals. Foods in Durga Puja: mutton biryani, chicken chop, chicken pakoda, and chicken leg piece. Ashtami Pushpanjali: no Bengali misses the Pushpanjali or flower offering on Ashtami morning, 8th day of the festival. Shondha Arti: the days of Durga Puja do not follow 12 to 12 o'clock system. One day changes to another in the evening. Every evening of Durga Puja is a grand festival itself. Sidur Khela, Dashami, a word that fills every Bengali heart with sadness, is the last day of Durga Puja. On this day, married women gather at the Puja mandop or pandals and smear each other with Sidur vermilion, much like playing with colors in Holi. This ritual marks the farewell of the goddess Durga. And Shondha Arti or the evening Arti or evening offering is an integral part of the rituals. The chant and incantations continue till next morning. Vijayadashami, the streets of Kolkata change on the last day of Durga Puja. Thousands of processions, millions of people throng the roads and the traffic gets into a tizzy. Goddess Durga bides adieu to our family and sets off for the Himalayas. The idols are immersed into river heads first. A ritual of family reunion takes place following the immersion. Every Bengali household hosts gatherings and exchange sweets and gifts with their loved ones. The sixth and seventh month of the Hindu lunisolar calendar, respectively, which typically falls in the Georgian months of September and October. And this day is observed in the lunisolar calendar of the Hindus of September to October in the Georgian months. Immersion of Ma Durga, 10th day, the Dashera. Thank you. So now, how is biology relation with Durga Puja? So now, Tadaivacha Bhattishwami Durga Makhyam Mahasuram Durga Deviti Bhikhyatam Tasmai Nama Bhavishyati. Durga Puja is not just about celebrating triumph of good over evil, but it is also about celebrating and welcoming nature. Goddess Durga's yellow complexion signifies that the goddess is identified as the Haldimukhi or turmeric face, which makes her as radiant as the sun and connects her with all things auspicious. Durgotsav also marks the harvest season, a season of wealth, health, and prosperity amidst nature. Durga Puja is celebrated every year in the month of Ashwin or Sharad. The festival of the worship of Mother Goddess Durga highlights the connection between Mother Nature and mankind. The festival is correlated with clear blue skies with fluffy clouds, bright sunshine, fields full of kashful and porijat, shivli flowers, which signals the arrival of Ashwin. So, as you can see, the plants, the animals, the birds, the fishes, the human beings, all are our children, and she provides us all the resources to live. In Vedas, goddess Durga is mentioned as Aranyoni, the goddess of the forest. She is also called Bondurga, Bonbibi, or Bagrodevi, the revered guardian spirit of the forest and one of the bus who protects the forest and the wildlife. As you can see, Kolabo, Lord Ganesha's wife, this tree bride is colloquially called Kolabo. But in reality, she has no relationship with Ganesh. Anthropologically speaking, the worship of Lavaputrika is most probably more ancient than Durgotsav itself. In ancient times, idol worship was not prevalent, and hence the farmers worshipped Mother Nature for prosperous harvest. So, how ecological harmony plays an important role in Durga Puja? the owl Vahana of goddess Lakshmi, the mouse Vahana of Ganesha, the swan Vahana of goddess Saraswati, and the peacock Vahana of Kartikeya all represent the nature. Thus, when a devotee worships the family of Ma Durga, he or she observes the coexistence and is influenced by what is temporarily times might be seen as analogous to the concept of ecological harmony and respect for biological diversity. So, gods with their bhanas represent the ecosystem of the nature. Ganesha's Mushak, Lakshmi's Peshak, Saraswati's Hansa, and Kartikeya's Shiki all represent the ecosystem. The period brings peace to the minds of devotees when they perform pujas and yajnas for the goddess. Ultimately, it can be said that a devotee worship Durga to get positive energy. But it doesn't matter whether Ma Durga is immersed because we have full belief that Ma Durga will come again in the next autumn, in next year. That's why we also have a tagline, and that is Ashte Bochor Abar Hobe. A illustration created by me, Ma Durga killing the evil demon Coronashur. Happy Durga Puja! May Ma Durga strengthen you to fight all evils. Happy Durga Puja! Happy Durga Puja! She may give you all types of blessings, fame, health, happiness, humanity, devotion, knowledge, power, name, and wealth. Thank you. Happy Durga Puja to you and your family. Bye bye.
मधुकैटव विध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
নমস্কার, আমি অর্ক মজুমদার। আমি পাঠ করতে চলেছি বিশ্বকবি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর রচিত কবিতা পূজার সাজ। আশ্বিনের মাঝামাঝি উঠিল বাজনা বাজি, পূজার সময় এলো কাছে, মধুবিধু দুই ভাই ছুটাছুটি করে তাই, আনন্দে দু হাত তুলি নাচে, পিতা বসেছিল দাঁড়ে, দুজনে শুধালো তারে, কি পোশাক আনিয়াছ কিনে? পিতা কহে, আছে আছে তোদের মায়ের কাছে, দেখিতে পাইবি ঠিক তিনি। সবুর সয়না আর জননীরে বারবার কহে, মাগো ধরি তোর দুটি পায়, বাবা আমাদের তরে কি কিনে এনেছে ঘরে, একবার দে না মা দেখায়। ব্যস্ত দেখি হাসিয়া মা দুখানি ছিটের জামা, দেখাইল করিয়া আদর। মধু কহে, আর নেই? মা কহিল, আছে এই একজোড়া ধুতি ও চাদর। রাগিয়া আগুন ছেলে কাপড় ধুলায় ফেলে, কাঁদিয়া কহিল, চাহি না মা রায়বাবুদের গুপি, পেয়েছে জরির টুপি, ফুলকাটা সাটিনের জামা। মা কহিল, মধু ছি ছি কেন কাঁদো মিছামিছি, গরিব যে তোমাদের বাপ, এবার হয়নি দান, কত গেছে লোকসান, পেয়েছেন কত দুঃখ তাপ, তবু দেখো বহু ক্লেশে তোমাদের ভালোবেসে সাধ্যমতো এনেছেন কিনে, সে জিনিস অনাদলে ফেলিলি ধুলির ওপর, এই শিক্ষা হলো এতদিনে। বিধু বলে, এ কাপড় পছন্দ হয়েছে মোর, এই জামা পরা সামারে। মধু শুনে আরও রেগে ঘর ছেড়ে দ্রুত বেগে গেল রায়বাবুদের দ্বারে, সেথা মেলা লোক জড়ো, রায়বাবু যে ব্যস্ত বড়, দালান সাজাতে গেছে রাত। মধু যাবে এক কোণে দাঁড়াইল ম্লান মনে, চোখে তার পড়িল হঠাৎ, কাছে ডাকি স্নেহ ভরে কহেন করুণ স্বরে, তারে দুই বাহুতে বাঁধিয়া, কিরে মধু হয়েছে কি তোরে যে শুকনো দেখি? শুনি মধু উঠিল কাঁদিয়া, কহিল, আমার তরে বাবা আনিয়াছে গড়ে শুধু এক ছিটের কাপড়। শুনি রায় মহাশয় হাসিয়া মধুরে কয়, সেজন্য ভাবনা কি বা তোর? ছেলেরে ডাকিয়া চুপি কহিলেন, ওরে গুপি তোর জামা দে তুই মধুকে। গুপির সে জামা পেয়ে মধু ঘরে যায় ধে, হাসি আর নাহি ধরে মুখে। বুক ফুলাইয়া চলে, সবারে ডাকিয়া বলে, দেখো কাকা, দেখো চে মামা, ওই আমাদের বিধু ছিট পড়িয়াছে শুধু, মোর গায়ে সাটিনের জামা। মা শুনি কহে নাসি, লাজে অশ্রু জলে ভাসি, কপালে করিয়া করাঘাত, হই দুঃখী হই দিন, কাহারো না ঋণ, কারো কাছে পাতি নাই হাত। আমাদেরই ছেলে ভিক্ষালয় অবহেলে, অহংকার করো ধে ধে, ছেঁড়া দুধি আপনার, ঢের বেশি দাম তার, ভিক্ষা করা সাটিনের চেয়ে। আয় বিধু আয় বুকে, চুমো খাই চাঁদ মুখে, তোর সাজ সবচেয়ে ভালো, দরিদ্র ছেলের দেহে, দরিদ্র বাপের স্নেহে, ছিটের জামাটি করে আরও ধন্যবাদ।
Everyone, I am Arko Majumdar of class 6A of Calcutta Public School Vidhan Park, and today I am going to tell about Durga Puja. So, Durga Puja, or the annual celebration of the Hindu goddess Durga, is one of the grandest festivals in Bengal in India. It is a multiple day celebration varying from 6 days in some parts of the country to 10 days in others. In most of the northern India, the festival is celebrated as Navratri, which means 9 nights. So now, regardless of these variations, the last 4 days of Maha Saptami, Ashtami, and Maha Navami and Mahadashami are particularly important and accordingly celebrated with much splendor around the country. In most of the parts of the country, the celebration and festival commemorates the victory of the goddess over a demon called Mahisasura. As told by Hindu mythology, the demon was set out to wage war against the god, and it was up to Durga to slay him and protect the earth. She began her battle against the demon on the 7th day of Navratri, known as Mahasaptami, and slayed him by the final day of Vijayadashami. So now, her name's origins. As we can get by her name, Durga means the one, and the goddess known to Hindus as the destroyer of evil. Durge Durgati Nashini is a popular rhythm prepared in Hindu mythology, and she is characterized by her 10 arms carrying various leather weapons, as well as her vehicle or Vahana, the lion. Also known as Bhavani, Amba, Chandika, Gauri, Parvati, and Mahisasura Mardini, Durga is the mother goddess and the protector of the righteous true Hindu devotees. Though the festival is considered to date back to ancient times in the Hindu religion, the first historic record of such a celebration of the goddess is available from the 1500s, which means 1500 in West Bengal. However, the festival is considered to have gained a lot of prominence and have emerged to its current status as one of the country's largest festivals. During the country's independence movement, the goddess was considered by many to be an icon for the country and its freedom struggle. Today, this festival is celebrated with song and dance, fasting followed by feasts, elaborate decorations, and pujas or grand ceremonies at temples and religious recitals. In some parts of the country, idols of goddesses are immersed in water, whereas in other parts of the country, young girls dress as the goddess and partake in various rituals at the temple and public celebrations.
শুভ সপ্তমী, শুভ অষ্টমী, শুভ নবমী এবং বিজয়া দশমীর অনেক শুভেচ্ছা।
মাগো তুই আসবি বলে যতই আলো জ্বেলেছিলাম, নবমীর রাত পোহাতেই সব নিভিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম।
মাগো তুই আসবি বলে যতই আলো জ্বেলেছিলাম, নবমীর রাত পোহাতেই সব নিভিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম।
কৈলাসে মা ফিরলি রে তুই সকল কথা ফেলে রেখে, মন ভরলো কোথায় মাগো তোর ওই মুখ দেখে দেখে।
চালচিত্রের সামনে প্রদীপ একটি মাত্র জেলে রেখে,
ভাবছি মা তোর রূপের আলো যুগে যুগে মন ভোলালো।
মন খারাপের ঢাকের বলো কোন খেয়ালে মন দোলালো।
মাগো তুই আসবি বলে যতই আলো জ্বেলেছিলাম, নবমীর রাত পোহাতেই সব নিভিয়ে ফেলেছিলাম। বিদায় দেবার আগে মা তোর গাল দুখানি ছুঁই, আসছে বছর এই শরতে আবার আসিস তুই। আসছে বছর এই শরতে আবার আসিস তুই।
আসছে বছর আবার হবে।